1, 2, 1, 2, 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. This is the Alpha Facts. Are you ready?
All about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
All right. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, hello. 1212.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone. How are you today?
Okay.
Good. Did you trade gold or US 30 this morning? Your mic is really quiet, Sophie. No, it's still really quiet. I'm not sure if it's me or you. Hello? Anyone else? Oh, okay. Now I can hear you.
Thomas, how you doing?
Not too bad. How you doing?
I'm alright, I'm alright.
Why is the Zoom so quiet? Can someone speak?
Yes,
Do you hear
I
my
traded US 30 in the morning.
It's very quiet, but
Is it
it will be fixed.
Is it working?
Yes, I can hear you now. Let me get some better music. Okay.
How are you, Thomas?
Good. Right, sorry guys, I'm just catching up because the construction started at the house, so it's a freaking nightmare to organize everything. So apologies. But who made some money this morning on the gold trade and the US 30 trade?
Yeah, I missed the gold, but US 30 was doing great.
That was good. Yeah, gold is still going with 574 pips.
Nice.
And US 30. Let me see quickly. US 30. How is US 30 doing? US 30 is pulling back up, but
Hello.
yeah. Once we have the US stock market open, New York Stock Exchange, then we might have some other direction. I'm still expecting a pullback because now we are making lower highs and lower lows. So ideally, we should see a entry opportunity at around 31,900. So something like this. Do you agree? Do you not agree?
I totally agree with you.
Agreed.
Very good. You can double your money within 24 minutes.
Trust me, brother.
Absolutely.
Trust me. Oh, my camera wasn't on. Can you see me now?
We can see you and hear you.
Perfect. Where do we begin? Okay. What have we learned in the morning briefing today? That we just had, the morning briefing 31st of August. Let's have a look first on the macroeconomics. What do we have in the economic calendar? Because I think in about 4 minutes we will have...
Sunday coming? No? Then who
No.
will be doing this?
Oh, Salman. So today, let's have a look what we have in the economic calendar. ADP, which I haven't prepared, but we're going to have ADP non-farm employment. So, we made money this morning already, as most of you know who are trading within the group. Gold, we managed to pull about 680 pips. That was crazy this morning. But how is ADP going to affect the market? Okay, so we have 2 minutes until the data print. So I'm gonna do some impromptu analysis. Right, what do we know about the Fed? The Fed was really hawkish. We know exactly they don't care about the data, what's going to happen. So what the Fed is going to do is they're going to go ahead with the interest rate increase, and they willing to do it for the coming years. Yes, you heard it right, not just month, but yes. So ADP non-farm employment, I think either way, it should go down. If you look, I'm just gonna focus on gold today. Doesn't matter what the data is. I think we are gonna go down. But it's only a wild guess now, since I couldn't really prepare for today. Well, we had 2 phenomenal sell trades. So let's wait. We have 1 minute until the data print. Technically speaking, what we see is yesterday low has been taken out. You can see that $1,721. We found the bottom at 1709. And I think even if it pulls back, the highest it should pull back is yesterday's low. So I'm locking in most of my position. I'm Right, I'm gonna mute some people because they don't know how to mute themselves. But either way, so I think because you know, this is the first ADP non-farm employment since the Fed changed the tone on monetary policy. So if we pull back, I think yesterday's low could give us another sell opportunity, but I'm locking in some trades now. You can see it's running in 578 pips, 580 pips. Let's switch back to trading view. So I'm not going to enter into any other trades right now. I want to see how the market is reacting to Jesus.
Hello, Thomas.
Hey, Philip. How is you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Not too bad. Very good. Actually, very good after this good profit on
say,
Monday,
must be
Tuesday.
better than not bad.
I mean, come on, 3 days win in a row. That's absolutely amazing.
Exactly. It was brilliant.
Okay. So we're just waiting for the number. We're going to have no other data today. Shit. God, I couldn't prepare for the ADP. It's worse than expected. Oh, and gold is pumping up. It means that the market is pricing in that the Fed won't be able to go ahead with the rate hike, but that's bullshit. So don't buy and don't sell just yet. Let's just wait the shizzle settle down, because gold should drop, continue to drop. So if it comes back to yesterday's low, it's a really good entry level for short positions. But don't do anything yet. Just wait.
Roger that.
Aye, aye, Captain. I couldn't even have a...
Alright,
I had only 1 coffee today, because I was rushing all day.
Hi guys. The teas instead of coffees.
Your mic is really quiet today, guys. Philips is okay, but everyone else is just quiet.
I got you on speakerphone, that's where I come a bit closer.
Ah, alright.
Yeah, he's on the other side of the room.
Alright. Let's wait for gold. I'm going to split the screen to see what is other favorite US 30 is doing.
Still going up.
Yesterday's close, yesterday's low. Don't get fooled, wait. Be patient. We make money when we are patient, innit?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, US 30's kind of coming back 50% up from where it started today, but I think it's going to come down again, isn't it?
Yeah. If you look at US 30, I mean, yesterday's drop was quite impulsive, which did pull back to about 38%, 40%, but I'm expecting a continuation downwards. Now, let's focus on gold. Gold failed to go higher, so it means I think it's going to continue from this price level. It didn't break 1750. It's very risky to enter now into anything, buy or sell, because it's only a few minutes into the data, 2 minutes into the data, but there's no major reaction. I'm into a sell, so if I have to choose, I would sell. But the problem is it didn't pull back as much as I expected, but if we were to sell, I would sell it from here and use a tight stop loss at around 17.17. Quick scalp. But this is a really high risk setup. And for US 30, I'm going to wait. And do not enter if you know, it's a very high risk setup. If it fails, then the next selling opportunity will be yesterday's low. But if it pulls back to yesterday's low, then I'm going to wait again. I'm not going to rush into any sells if this one hits stop loss. So these are the positions I have open. Okay, I'm going to lock in some profits. US 30 gold. Yeah, I'm gonna lock in this one. Let's close down. I'm going to pull take profit levels into the safe zone. So even if it hits the take profit levels, I'm closing everything in profit. But I think 99% of the profit has been closed already. And let's quickly have a look on USD Japanese yen, because I had an analysis in USD Japanese yen. Okay, USD Japanese yen is looking good to enter for long. It's still within the buy zone. But on USD Japanese yen, there is a risk that price might pulls back down to the trend line. But if I had to choose, I would say price is now going to consolidate just under the previous daily close. So it's a little bit messy chart, but what you can see and what I drew in this scenario, if I zoom in, that I'm expecting price to move a little bit sideways. So I think it's still good to enter into a long position. USD Japanese yen long, this is not financial advice because it can pull back to the trend line at any time. Ahmed Sharif, can you hear me? Ahmed Sharif, back to the room. US 30 leaving. Gold, look at that, ladies and gentlemen, entered into third position and it's already in profit. How nice is that? Who entered into the third position?
I did. Doing well, man.
Freaking good. Already in profit.
That is madness.
Mate, I thought August is going to be a really crappy month. It was a crappy month, but the last 2 weeks is just non-stop profit making. It's absolutely freaking insane.
Yeah, the last.
I mean, look at this push down.
Yeah, as soon as you took that, it just plummeted down.
Wow.
Go Alpha FX.
Gold diggers.
I didn't take it. I don't know if I'm just too late now.
Excuse me?
I didn't take that sell on gold. I don't know if I'm too late now.
No, yeah, but I'm gonna take profit. No, this one is too... Which one should I take? I'm gonna take this one off. So I have one standard lot. 2.5k. I'm gonna lock in half of it. Freaking hell, this is insane, guys. What's happening with the market? Wow. Shrumpty iPhone. Can you hear me?
Who's got the sound effects?
Yeah, he's I kicked him out like 3 times. The next one I'm going to
Charlie?
All right. Let's quickly jump back into TradingView. We had a nice 40 pip drop on gold, but pre-market today's low hasn't been penetrated yet, as Tinesh was penetrated this morning. So take some profit off the table. And
Do you think US 30 good to go?
let me jump back. Yesterday's close, today's open.
You know, I had like the itch, you know, itchy hand.
Yeah, it's itching,
To
isn't
go
it?
for
It's like
sell.
it's after Friday evening with a cheap girl. It's itching. Oh.
I'm gonna try a small sell.
Yeah, I think it's looking good for a sell, because we're risking only 2-3%.
Yeah.
Nice stop loss. I'm pretty sure it's going to break today's low, but with stock market, we never know how much dip buying is going to be and profit taking for the short sellers. There's always 2 entry levels, a little bit higher. So I don't enter into US 30. Marwan is the... Should I enter into US 30? Ah, come on, why not?
Come on, man.
Just a cheeky sell.
Yeah.
So I'm going to
Caught the
put
US.
stop loss.
I caught the US 30 drop earlier. I just don't want to get rid of my profits by going in again.
Yeah, that's the problem when you're in a nice profit. And the market comes after you.
Yeah, I'm watching it and I'm like, should I? Should I not?
Quick question, who's good with mathematics?
Not really.
300 minus 70. How much is that? How many is that?
30, man.
230. This is how many people haven't pressed the like button on YouTube but still watching my analysis, made profit on gold. So if you made money today, if you like the channel, if you like my analysis, show some respect, give some feedback and hit the like button. I want to see 400
Smash the
likes
like
today.
button.
400
Comment.
likes is something that never happened before in this channel. If you can help me to reach 400 likes, I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Get it done, guys. Come on.
Do it.
But now.
Now. Get to the chopper. Oh, I need to send out the analysis to Discord. Okay, 111 likes. Going very well.
You entered the sell, Thomas, on US 30?
Me too.
Oh, I'm tempted.
Is it itching, Philip?
It is. It is.
Go and speak with the doctor.
Go on then. I'll just do a small lot. There we go. Let's see what happens.
Insane. Last week we made about 850 pips on gold. This morning we were up to 880 pips a total in the sell, and now we're back to 628, but obviously we locked in profit. That's insane.
Insane in the membrane.
Crazy. People on YouTube asking about what's your thoughts on Euro USD tapping the lows of today. Now, Euro USD is quite tricky to trade. I would sell. It's just on the parity level. Let me clear up the chart so I can give you some nice analysis, but only if we hit 200 likes. Otherwise, no analysis, guys. Show some respect to the man. Yeah, it's a clear sell. Absolutely. Absolutely a sell. But be careful with the market, especially in Europe. Oh, US 30 is second position, is running in a little loss, but it's not a problem. So going back to Europe, there's so much chisel on the markets. Let's have a look on Bloomberg quickly. Haha, Powell abandoned soft landing goal as he seeks growth recessions. Remember, a few months ago, Powell was talking about soft landing when inflation was already at 8%, and I said there's no way they're going to achieve a soft landing with this tight labor market, with this high inflation, and with this bullish markets. And every single month, Jay Powell changed the narrative that, yeah, we're going to have a softish landing. I was like, what the hell? Is he going to come out next month and say we're going to have a semi-soft landing or semi-hard landing and maybe a hard landing? And now he's abandoned soft landing. He's not doing his job properly, I think. He's not tough enough. And going back to Euro USD, it is just way too much drama around Europe with the gas misery. I mean, Germany and some countries are already rationing gas or preparing for the rationing of gas. Eurozone inflation hit record as ECB hawks push jumbo hike. Let's go. 9.1% of the cumulative inflation number in the Eurozone. That's freaking bad, but we already know who live in Europe. Inflation is not 9.1%, it's 19.1%. Way higher. So put my money where my mouth is. I'm going to enter for a sell on Euro USD. Just normalize the chart. Five. Okay. Yeah, that's done. Okay. Let me send out this analysis to Discord. And now people get really pricked them ears because people, you know, I explained Euro USD and now asking AUD USD, oil, Bitcoin. No, it doesn't work like that. If we see 200 likes, I'm going to do another analysis, guys, but show some respect. I'm doing this for free for you, doing the analysis. We made money already this morning, so now just going to sit back and relax. I don't know which way is better to organize my screen. What do you think? Is it a 3 split or 2 split or just have one?
Yeah, that's fine, man. That's a good one.
Isn't it too messy?
No.
You may hide your data window, you know, this navigator and stuff like this.
Ah, so you can make it bigger.
Like that.
Oh, bigger is better in it. How you doing, Kashif?
Very well, you know. Just press that, you know, next to the zoom button, so it will auto adjust all the open positions, all
course, yes.
You in profit for the day?
Yes, in US 30 gold, I've missed it, so I haven't taken it. I've done a bit of few scalps, but nothing major.
The US 30 was nice yesterday. I missed that one, I have to admit.
Hi, Thomas.
Hey, how you doing, buddy?
How are you doing?
US 30 is pushing down nicely, and your USD as well. Already running in.
And gold.
Mate.
I wish US 30 go to the bottom. I have an 8 lot size on US 30.
8 lot size on a challenge,
Yeah.
or?
Yeah, I'm on a challenge. My Forex Fund phase 2.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Phase 2.
If
It means you already passed, almost passed.
Almost. I was 6 pips away from passing the phase 2 this morning.
Oh, no way. You
But-
didn't lock it.
Yeah, it went back. I was in US 30 this morning. Almost there.
Damn it. And how many days you got left? Like 58 or something?
I have like 30 days left. It's a
That's
good.
still, if you're missing 6 pips, I'm sure you can make 6 pips in 30 days.
Yeah.
But 6 pips with 8 lot sizes.
Wow.
I wish
Oh,
I
yeah,
can.
yeah.
When did you start the challenge?
Like 30 days ago.
All right. Okay.
Yesterday morning, I was in a drawdown, I think 4%. But today, I'm in 1% profit.
Is it a 5% drawdown limit? Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That was good that you came back from 4, getting them back in the profit. I think I'm going to start a new challenge tomorrow. New month, new challenge.
Your wife?
Not recommended.
Well, if they good friends, then you can have both of them.
Oh man. Naughty.
Habibi.
Yeah, come on, US 30.
Yes.
Yes, y'all.
US. Your USD is pulling back a little bit. Gold is gold. Well, even if this hits stop loss, I think we made more than enough profit this week. 800 pips in 3 days. That's just insane. US 30, good chances, or chances are good that it will pull below today's open, and then we out of the woods. And if it pulls down below yesterday's low, then we're definitely in 1 million pips profit.
That'd be nice.
And I think we are going to end the stream now. There's only 185 likes. That's very disappointing. That means people don't like the stream, the content. It's not good.
How many subscribers are you on now?
Almost 12,000.
Nice. That's good.
Oh, your USD is pulling it back up. Let's have a quick analysis.
So US 30. Up and down.
Yeah. Come on. Retesting the daily pivot maybe? Or the parity level, because it's just hovering at 1 US dollar equals 1 euro. Let's wait. US dollar is weakening. Let's have a quick look on yields. How did the disappointing data affected yields? So those of you who just joined the stream, the data today for ADP non-farm employment, which is a good forecaster for the Friday non-farm employment, was very disappointed. Let's have a quick look on treasury yields. Oh, it pulled back a little bit. I think on the expectation that the Fed won't be able to go ahead with the rate hikes, but don't get fooled. Why not? Because we know exactly that the Fed is going to be extremely super bullish for a year or two. Look at this article, even that confirms he seeks growth recessions. Yes, because they're going to tip the economy into recession, and the energy prices and inflation and so many other things that's happening with the current economy. So yields on US Treasury bonds and even bills should go higher, and you can see that the yields are going up in a nice orderly manner, and the Fed is definitely going to push the yields up all the way to 3.5% in a jiffy. Even next month, September, at the next rate hike.
Sell on US 30.
Hey, how is the US 30 going, Devon? Devon Pearl. No, he went shy.
That's my bad. I didn't know it's unmuted, but it's going good right now. I've got a few days left of my challenge, and I've got to pass it. So.
Nice. And when did you join us?
I was letting a bot run on it for a while. It passed phase 1. I had a gold bot running. It passed phase 1 just fine, but phase 2, it's going slow, and I've got about 5 days left, so we're going to try and pass it manually.
When did you join, Devon? I think 2 months?
Yeah, I joined about 2 months ago. I've been trading for a while, but I'm really trying to learn the fundamentals a little bit better. You know, 'cause I'm really good at technical analysis, but it's the economics that, you know, I notice you're really good at, and I really like your analysis on it. So I've been on as much as I can, and I've been learning, so I appreciate it.
Thank you so much for the kind words. How do you like it with us so far? Give me some feedback,
I love it.
good or bad.
Well. I've been doing really well. I passed a 50K challenge with you, so it's been going good.
That's very nice. Very nice.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your USD pulled back a little bit. Gold is still dropping. It's running in 670 pips. That is insane. Your USD is negative 8%, not percent, pips. US 30 is still a good thing. The good thing is that because we had some winning positions, so we were already in profit on US 30. That allowed us to scale into a third position. Second position. Let me just show you something like this. God, my screen is a mess. Yeah. US 30. Gold is dropping nicely.
I wish US 30 does too.
You close US 30?
No, I'm waiting only for 20 pips. If it goes down 20 pips, like from it reached 31,600, I will be passing the phase 2.
Look at gold. it's going to push down so nice. Now it's a wait and see game.
Wait and see.
What positions you guys have open?
US 13 Euro USD.
Uh-huh.
On the game.
I have only 10 positions.
I'm going to treat myself to a new Mac.
Oh, you deserve it. You just had a new camera, Mr. Philip.
I know exactly. I've got the
5D.
The Canon R5. The
R5,
new mirrorless
yeah.
Canon R5. So when I start doing video files, I'm going to need a better computer.
Yeah, you definitely need for the 4K. Does it crop in at 4K, 60p or 50p FPS?
Yeah, I mean it's got 8K on it.
But does it crop in?
Still
Philip,
signal's dropping.
Oh yeah, does it crop in when you do 4K?
I'm not even sure yet. I don't think so, but I've not tried it out yet, to be honest. I've not used it.
Yeah, it's mine. I have the A7 IV. It does some crop, it so shoots in Super 35, but it's reasonable. My job is done for today.
How's the house coming along? Are you getting the roof done?
Next week the roof is done. We had someone from the window company came out yesterday. We got every freaking door, window, and all kind of things changed. Tomorrow the masons and the bricklayers are coming for initial discussion. And yeah, that's it.
Nice. Is it an older property that you've got?
Yes. So basically, it's my wife's old family home. So her dad
right.
grew up in the house, and it was a good deal. So you know, you save money where you can in these market conditions.
Yeah, that's good.
And
that's good.
The value was obviously really good because it's within the family, and we didn't want to sell it. They didn't want to sell it, so we decided we're going to fully renovate it because we looked at the property market. But the problem is, you know, where I live, it's not Hollywood or Los Angeles or New York where you can buy fancy houses. So you either buy some really expensive, but you still need to renovate it because, you know, some people have some horrible taste. Or you build a brand new one, but that's it's still. Or you renovate, and you know it's almost 200 square meters, so it's a massive house.
Yeah.
So we decided, we're just going to change everything. I'm quickly going to jump back into in trading view. So US30 doesn't go too well. It's still climbing higher to the daily pivot.
Ah, so it is.
Yeah. Let's have a look at Euro USD. Euro USD as well, climbing a little bit higher. Dollar is showing a sign of weakness now, but don't get fooled, because that's incorrect. Dollar will strengthen. I think this is the pre-market manipulation, what we see right now.
Yeah, we're going to view a property tonight to buy that's in the full renovation as well.
It's very nice. But you're gonna do it
the
this year, or?
Yeah, we'll just if we get it, if we like the property, we'll buy it and we'll renovate it all.
If you can do everything on your own or with friends, because right now it's like the problem is we couldn't find people. I mean, we found a contractor. He left us in deep shit, and he's a family friend apparently. We wasted 6 months. Nothing was phase 1 was done, so the demolition and you know, those kind of things, and then he freaking disappeared. So wasted 6 months and a lot of money because prices went up in the meantime.
Oh.
US30, you cheeky bugger.
Yeah.
Okay. Looks like US30 is going to make the lower high. So the original analysis was slightly better than this one, and still running within the risk tolerance zone. But it's not good. Why is the dollar weakening? Let's see what is happening in the economic calendar. Do we have any other data? Canadian GDP. Chicago PMI. Oh, PMI. Now that could be another indicator. Maybe the market is waiting for the PMI. By the way, next week we are back to school. So remember we started the economic sessions? It's going to restart. We had the wage rates, so supply and demand, just some basic introduction. Then we talked about recessions. And the next session is going to be about monetary policy. What the Fed can do in order to avoid a recession, cause a recession, fight inflation or create inflation. How did quantitative easing have led to a decade of quantitative easing have led to you know, this 4-decade high inflation, and some other juicy topics as well.
Yes.
US30 is not doing too well, does it?
No, it gives and then it takes away.
Interesting to see that how the dollar is weakening now, but gold is still dropping. So this is why the dollar correlation is not, the dollar gold correlation is not always holding up. Many of the new traders like to trade gold based on, oh, the dollar is weakening, gold should go up. But no, don't get fooled, because that's a very rookie analysis of what's going to happen, because gold price is determined by many factors: monetary policy, fundamentals, geopoliticals, inflation, but mostly monetary policy, and of course dollar strength as well. But does dollar is the main driver for gold price? No, it's not. Right. Who's sitting in gold? Who's sitting in US 30? And what is happening?
Yeah, I'm still.
Okay, US 30. That wasn't the best entry. It's a little bit premature. But, you know, if Marwan is selling, we all selling. No one is left behind.
I went into a small lot, but I had a wider stop loss. I can afford that, so...
I mean, can't complain. Gold is running in 715 pips profit, so that -6 or -10 pips loss on US 30 is negligible.
Not me playing it safe.
Euro USD is in negative 16 pips profit. Or loss, sorry, not profit. That's a loss, so it's not good, but it's part of the game. It's built in. Ujawal Chowdhury, I sent you a direct message. Please read it. And I ask everyone, please, to try to use your name on in Zoom. So, for example, iPhone is going to be now removed. Let's quickly browse through. Who's got some weird names? You guys are really good.
Come on, US 30.
Remember that US 30 has another selling level, which is just below the daily pivot. It was premature. Thinking, should I cut losses? Yes, I'm gonna close down US 30 now.
It did hit my stop loss.
Sorry?
It did hit my stop loss.
Yeah, I'm gonna lock it down. I wanna cut the losers and embrace the winners.
Yeah. I've done that too, because I don't want to eat my profits that I made earlier, so I'm just cutting it as well.
Yeah, done. If you know that it's not gonna make it, then just cut it.
Yeah.
Euro USD, on the other hand, it's now looks like it's going to pull back. So I'm gonna jump back to TradingView. What I'm waiting on Euro USD, or the US 30, sorry, is somewhere around 31,900. But it could be that price is pulling back now. So we're just gonna wait another 30 minutes when US or New York is opening, and then we're going to make another entry.
Sounds good.
Oh, someone says gold up. I'm buying. Jonathan Badalov. He's buying gold. Oof.
Buying gold? Really?
I'm not gonna say it's a bad idea, because you know anything is possible on the market. So I'm pretty sure that Jonathan has a good reason why he's buying gold. Oh, Devon just sent me a nice message. I want to say thank you. I've been full-time trading for the last 1.5 years and gotten a lot of value of these calls and your analysis. You're one of the only people I've seen that doesn't seem to be full of shit. Ha ha ha. Thank you, Devon. I'm full of dirty memes and dirty jokes, but not shit. And Ujawal Chowdhury, can you read your DMs? I'm curious, how did you join the Zoom? Wait, I'm just gonna do some administration. Any plans for this evening, guys? Anyone going out?
Just gonna view that property and see what.
Oh, you did mention.
Hopefully it's good. Because we had a property we're supposed to be moving into next month, but it fell through, so we're back to square one. The property market here is.
I think you're breaking up, Philip. We are going to lose you.
For silly money, way above what their value. I think it's a signal in this house. That is it better now? You hear me now?
I can, but it's a little bit breaking up.
Is it better now?
Yes, much better.
Yeah, it's just a signal in this part of the house I'm in. It's not very good. Yeah, the property prices are just crazy here just now, so it's difficult to try and get anything without paying way over what it's worth.
Yeah, it's because of the inflation in it.
Yeah, it's been like this for. I mean, I work in the property market, so I've seen it like this for quite a while now. But it just, it's got to calm down at some point because it can't just keep going this way.
What's up?
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
What's
What's up? How you guys? Making money?
A ton.
A ton. That's what I like to hear.
I mean, this morning was beyond my expectations.
Good.
Ujawal Chowdhury looks like this cheeky bugger joined from someone sent the link out to a non-member.
Ooh.
So Ujawal Chowdhury, I have to say, bro, my friend, I don't know. He's registered Gmail. I am not at his place, bro. Please let me in as he don't join. Goodbye, Ujawal. People just... taking a piss. Right. Okay. Gold. is going to sell in any minute. It's looking good. Now we have a new hourly candle. Euro USD have the chance to turn around. Let me switch to trading view. I'm going to go through every single trade for you guys, going to show you the analysis, all you need to know. Euro USD is, yes, it's in a drawdown, but nothing to worry, guys. It should pull back below the parity. If it doesn't, then the max we lose is 2%, so it's not a big deal. And be careful with Euro USD, because the fundamentals and economics around, you know, the gas shortage, the rationing, it's quite crazy. So Euro USD is difficult to trade now. And gold is third entry, is still in profit, and I think we're expected to break through the 1710 price level today. If it wanted to go up based on the disappointing data, it would have by now. So chances are good it's going to continue down. What else did we have? We had US 30 as well. The US 30 is almost ready for a nice good short. I'm waiting for this price level at 31,900 for a short to tap into fib levels, tap into previous low, tap into pivot, tap into everything. I set an alert already and I'm going to start selling soon. USD Japanese yen. Now this is a little bit trickier because we have definitely an upward trend, but the problem is that it could pull back anytime to the trend line, which is why it's a little bit tricky based on the technicals. Now fundamentally we know exactly that the Fed is going to increase interest rate in September, so it will push yields up, meaning there will be a higher demand for US dollar because government bonds, which are going to carry higher yields, coupon payments on the bonds, are going to have higher demand, which will push up Euro USD, USD Japanese yen. Sorry, I'm getting tired now. So let's quickly have a look on what positions do we have. Yeah. What do you think, guys? Any comments?
Yeah, I'm just US 30 sounds good, waiting for that point.
I think gold is again looking good for short, even from this position. I would use the same stop loss as the other. It's a little bit risky, but you know. Let's add another sell. Oh, a little bit higher. So many sells on gold. US dollar is definitely tricking me. Jonathan and Myrook are buying gold, but I still haven't heard any narrative from Jonathan that why you're buying gold. Is there a fundamental reason? Is there a technical reason? Do you see something that we don't see? Is it going to be a pullback? Myrook, finally, 4 and 1 hour divergence in gold, does it matter? Yeah, if you trade divergence, it does matter. Euro USD I got stopped out, so I'm not looking to re-enter, but maybe have a look on Euro USD. So I got stopped out in Euro USD. Quickly have a look. Yep, that's a bad one. It's gone. So actually, how much was that? So minus 20 pips on Euro USD. Gold is still struggling. Okay. In gold, I'm gonna close down. No, not closing down anything. I'm gonna leave it at. And waiting for US 30 for another short.
Tamam.
Yes, please.
I noticed that each time you want to go from split screen to one window, you change the layout. Below, beside the auto button, there is like a square. You see?
Having difficulties hearing you properly.
Can you hear me better now?
A little bit better. So when I switch windows, you noticed?
When you go switch your layout, I noticed that you could change the layout completely from split screen to one screen and then go back. There is an easier way below, beside the auto button.
How can I do that?
Beside it, there is a toggle maximum chart. It's like a square. Bottom right of the window.
On where?
Right below the bottom right. Do you see the auto? If you want to turn the scale of the chart to auto instead of manual, do you see this?
No. Maybe if you can write it down for me, that would be easier, because
I will share a screenshot on Discord.
Oh, okay, thank you. That's easier. I'm more of a visual guy.
Yeah, sure. No problem.
You like to watch?
Welcome back, Mr. Gammers. That was the dirtiest comment so far.
Of the day, so far.
Of the day, yeah. Well, not after Tinesh's penetration this morning. That was it's a bit hardcore from GM.
That was bad.
Look at that. US 30 is coming to the potential selling zone. So many people started buying gold, so that could mean we're going to have a retracement. But you guys you started buying now, but you know, we've been selling for days, so we're in profit. US 30 slowly getting into the selling zone. Gold is running in 600 pips profit, ladies and gentlemen. Widen the stop loss a little bit.
Ka-ching, ching.
Ding ding, I see dollar signs.
Yes. I believe that.
Do you have any open positions, Raul?
No, I closed it. I had no focus today, but they have left the building.
You finished work?
No, not me. The guests, two supply chain managers from Denmark.
They're gone.
One of the head office.
Nice.
And they're gone now.
Finally.
So, yes. I have to say, was a good meeting. I often said that I had some plans. I don't understand why they do it in that way. And they have a new supply chain manager. So we went through all the processes, and he asked the exact same questions. Why we do that way? Why so inefficient? So that's good. A little bit hopeful. I found someone
on your side.
That pulled that car. We will see.
Yeah, miracles last only for 3 days.
Yeah. You never know. Sometimes you have someone who said, "Oh yeah, no, you're completely right," and he closed the door, and you never hear anything about it anymore.
Quickly, I entered into another sell on your USD. Let's see how it's going to react to the daily pivot and yesterday's closing price. So I entered into another sell.
Euro USD, you said?
Mm-hmm. Your USD. Yeah, previous low.
Yeah.
This is what it looks like.
It's hanging on only on the 5 minutes, but on the 200 moving average. Seems to respect that. Oh, it's on the 15. 15 the same. But the candle not closed yet.
No, but I think it's reasonable
Just
to enter.
under the pivot or the, what is it, weekly S1. So, you know, I can agree that it's a possible sell still.
Gold is nicely selling off, ladies and gentlemen, for now. USD is finding itself before the New York Open. I think it's a good day overall. Gold is running in 660 pips freaking profit. US 30 is running in 942 points, which is 94 pips. And let's see if we can sell US 30 again.
Got in on another sell, US 30.
Yeah, it's reasonable to enter again and sell. Yeah, I'm entering another sell as well, but only tiny lots. Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Who's in profit?
Yes. US 30 is moving down nice. Gold is at break even just now.
Jonathan, what was the reason you were buying gold? I want to find out. I'm curious to see the other side. I know Myrick explained divergence. It's good reasoning. USD Japanese yen running in 8 pips profit, US 30 in 127 pips. Euro USD is back again with almost 10 pips profit, and gold 700 pips profit. Oh yeah, Aka, or JB, yeah. I got that thing. You just send me, I checked the screenshot.
Do split the screen first. Change the layout, make it a split screen or a triple screen or whatever.
Yeah, the problem is that it's I have an indicator window and it pulls back up the indicator.
No, don't push this one now. Just split the screen first from the top. No, the square, the one you split the screen, the one you usually use, one on the left beside the teal and orange. Yes.
Ah.
It appeared in the bottom. Now
okay,
it will enlarge the window you select. Now you're on
Magic.
the left one. If you click the right one, it will enlarge the right one.
Yeah, thank you so much.
One more time, Thomas.
What? I can do even 4.
Yep, you can do it with any layout. Whichever you select, it will enlarge.
But I have a... I'm getting gold, so that's maybe 4 is a bit too small, and I like big things, so Oh, quickly, sorry. I'm going to draw up
It's
the sell.
compensation. And I didn't say anything, guys. Sorry.
No. Don't say anything. Right, 10 minutes until New York Open. I think Philip is freezing down. But the thing I wanted to say is that we have 10 minutes until New York Open. So I'm going to mute Josefina. So we have 10 minutes until New York is opening, and you know, during New York Open, things can get out of hand. So please make sure that you lock in some profits if you are in profit. That's what I'm going to do, because I don't want any surprises. I don't like surprises. So make the money, take the money. That is my motto.
No surprises. No surprises.
No, just double your money in 24 hours.
Easily.
Money.
Money, it's so funny.
Muhammad Fazili Ismail is asking, do I wait for gold price to be at 1700 before I buy? Now I noticed that it's a phenomenal how the human brain works. When price is falling, people look for buy. When price is going up, people look for sell. It's like you're shooting yourself in the leg.
Yeah.
Don't catch falling knives, Muhammad.
No, there's nothing worse.
And ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So, this Friday, membership joining will be closed once again for the month of September. I will restart the economic lessons for members, and I have many other plans to do. It's coming soon, top secret. So, if anybody wants to join, get daily morning briefings, lifetime membership, daily analysis and setups, daily gold analysis, everything, a beer from me, a date with Raul or Sophie, then you can use the last days and the last two memberships to join the Alpha FX community. I'm sending the link into YouTube. The choice is yours. Indiana Jones.
Yeah.
I grew up on that. It's a fantastic movie.
Yeah.
No.
All right. 7 minutes until the US or New York is opening. 21 minutes until the Chicago PMI. No, actually it's going to be 7 minutes until the PMI, but I think... No, 21 minutes until the PMI. Because New York is very close, it's time to lock in some profits. So let's see, what do we have on the plate? I'm gonna leave Euro USD. I'm gonna leave gold. I'm gonna leave US 30. I'm gonna leave USD Japanese yen. So I'm pretty much leaving everything. But be warned, if you're in profit, because if you look at the screen, with the boys and girls from the Alpha community, we've been trading pretty much this morning, yesterday and Monday. So we have positions since Monday, and we could open more positions, scaling today, even though that was quite risky. But we are in profit, like gold 621 pips, US 30 1,000 points. So we can afford to have some more room to wiggle, or for price to have some more room to wiggle. But if you're only trading 1 or 2 positions just before New York Open, you might want to reconsider reducing your risk.
Just to wiggle.
USD Japanese yen is running in 18 pips profit, ladies and gentlemen.
What the fuck is that?
Yes, US 30 come down.
I'm gonna widen the stop loss for US 30 before the New York Open, because I don't want any shizzle.
Nope.
Manizo. Oh, shizzle. Manizo.
Those who are interested in, or who just joined, USD Japanese yen is still good to enter. It will go higher. It doesn't show the setup I did. Okay, now it's better. So USD Japanese yen is still looking very juicy. So this white scenario was the one I drew up this morning, and yeah, you know, reality is not always like the forecast, but you can see that it found the support, it has a resistance, and it bouncing in between. So my ceiling was a little bit higher, but you get the idea, right? So this is what I'm expecting on USD Japanese yen. Is still very good to enter. All you have to do, or what you would do, I would do, because it's not financial advice, is just use a little bit wider stop loss to have some room to wiggle. Capiche?
Capiche. Capiche.
Very good, very good.
I don't know, it's very good, but I capiche.
Boom, shakalaka.
Your USD is running in 11 pips, USD is running in 20 pips, gold is 616 pips, and US 30 in 153 pips. What is this, if not heaven, ladies and gentlemen? Another day in paradise. We have 2 minutes until the New York Stock Exchange is opening. So if you see anything on the pairs that we trade, gold, USD Japanese yen, Euro USD or US30, give me a shout because I'm gonna play around with my sound pad or whatever it is.
Finish him!
US 30. Come on.
Finish him!
New York, open for business.
New York, New York.
Close my mic, but I was singing the same, Thomas. Good.
Yes,
And ladies
US
and
30.
gentlemen, US30. New York is officially open now.
Yes.
How freaking nice is that? Another sniper entry if it continued to fall.
I don't know.
Oh my god.
Keep falling. Come on. Good.
Philip, your internet connection is really crappy.
Nice. I know. Tell me about it. I keep complaining.
It sounds like that I'm talking to someone who just had an aneurysm.
If I move over here, is that better? Coming outside, is that better?
Much better.
Yeah, is it better now?
Sure.
I'm out in the fresh air.
Yes, you're much better.
That's better. It's because of these walls. Wi-Fi is shit. Oh, US 30, you beauty. Look at that. Look.
That is the trade of the day on US 30, I think. 200
Yes.
pips, just like that.
Yeah, in the space of 5-10 minutes. Not even 5-10 minutes.
Euro USD is in profit. USD Japanese yen is in profit. Gold is in profit. What else do you need?
I really don't know.
Sitting on a sun lounger, but there's no sun. US 30. Is it gonna break down?
I'm gonna take some. I'm gonna close down 50% of US30 just to avoid any potential pullback. So it's closed down. I have another one. 50. Oh, beautiful. Oh, guys. It's a wonderful day.
Oh, the sun just came out. That's lovely. Right, gold.
We need one more push from gold, Euro USD to the downside, USD Japanese yen to the upside, and then we good.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure we're going to have that nice push on USD Japanese yen because economics is above all, meaning that disappointing data is not going to stop the Fed from raising interest rates. Therefore, US dollar should continue higher. And right now, many people are shorting USD, those who trade purely technical analysis, because what they see is a clear top, a flat top, and they think that yes, that's why price is going to, drop, because they see a triple top or double top or whatever they see. It's incorrect, because we buy high, ladies and gentlemen, and you just need to follow the trend, which is clearly bullish. Obviously we had a drop after Shinzo Abe passed away, but the Fed was really clear yesterday or last week that they're gonna go ahead with rate hikes, not for next month, for next year. They're going to raise interest rate for the coming year if the market allows them and the plan. And for this reason, today we are buying high, and price will reach 140 by today or tomorrow. We will see, but economics is above all. You can't fight it. Doesn't matter how many trend lines and what concept you trade or use, it's above all. Yield's gonna go up because the market is now, market is front running, forward looking, meaning that they're pricing in the future, and because the Fed was really clear about it, or J Powell was clear about it, that they're going to raise interest rate, yield's gonna go up. Therefore the demand for USD denominated government bonds is going to increase, which is going to increase the demand for US dollar. And this is why USD will strengthen further. Oh, Israel's Has says stop scamming people with those profits. He's tired of profiting. He wants to lose his money now. God.
Gold is about to go down.
Oh yeah.
Just really thinking about it.
We have nothing about thinking. He has to go, not thinking. It has to decide what to do. Look, boy.
Fred Pip says, shoot me now, I closed too early. Don't worry, profit is profit, doesn't matter how small it is.
What? Brad Pips.
Frederick Pip. You know, size doesn't matter. That's what they say, but it does matter. But you know, when it comes to money, respect every single penny. I mean, imagine like, you know, I'm not millionaire in dollar terms, but you know, I don't suffer my daily. You know, I'm living good. But even though if I go to buy anything, even just salami and bread to the local grocery store, I always like, okay, so how much is the discount today? Like, in life, you have to be really tight with money. Try to get every single penny where you can. Try to negotiate in life, because if you don't do it, then someone else will do, and you're going to pay for it. So small profit is better than no profit.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Oh, Raul.
Raul. Right.
Raul.
I'm gonna... No, actually, let me see how much is the maximum risk I can take. Your USD I might lock down. Yes, your USD I'm gonna close half of the position. I should have just gone to take the rest of the day off. We made money this morning, haven't we?
No.
We made money this afternoon as well. Oh, look at that. K Patel says, can I negotiate with you for Alpha FX mentorship? I like it. I like the thinking. Do it. What's your offer?
Yeah.
Size matters. Sorry.
In certain situations, definitely. Okay, so K Patel, I'm still waiting for your offer. Always negotiate in life. $100 off? Why not? You ask for a deal, I give you a deal.
200, and then we take up on 100.
So K Patel, proven that if you negotiate in life, you can achieve. It doesn't always get what you want, but you know, you have to be always tight with the money. Comedy Central offered 300 Ugandan dollars. That's too late, brother. So K Patel, you got it. I'm going to post in a payment link, so for £100 you can join for the next 5 minutes. The link is in the stream chat. It's only valid for 5 minutes. I'm gonna grab some snacks and some water. I'll be back in a second.
Very, very good.
Very, very good.
Very, very good. Are you still married, Philip?
Still going strong.
Still
Two
going
months in.
strong.
Yeah.
Wow.
Was it 2 months? July.
No,
August.
just yeah. That. You made an impression
Yeah,
on me and
seems-
my family. You married in a kilt.
Yeah.
And part of my wife's family comes from Edinburgh,
Ah, okay.
so that was. You are the hero. My wife and my daughter when they saw the picture.
Ah, cool.
Did someone mention haggis?
I've not had haggis for a while. I'm not
Still,
ever.
oh, I think you're still in Game of Thrones. You missed another haggis.
Is anybody watching the new one? What is it? The House of Dragons?
Yes, I didn't watch it.
Yeah,
I think it's just come out one week.
Yeah, it's not like Game of Thrones, man.
Oh,
So-
gold's pushing up.
Oh, US 30 as well. Fucking hell. Okay, I'm gonna close it down now. US 30 is done.
Yeah, I'm glad I closed that when it fell.
Right.
I've just looked at it.
It's enough excitement today. We made enough money. So US 30. Let me just. Where are you, cheeky bugger? It's closed. Gold closed. I'll leave those ones because those are safe. If you have a look on the chart. Okay, so let me just switch the team view to my current open positions. Gold is safe. So the positions that we opened earlier this morning are absolutely safe. Those are fine. And your USD is fine as well. You can leave your USD. USD Japanese yen, I'm leaving that one open, but I closed down everything on US 30. That's we made money, so that's enough. Switching back to TradingView to show you some more technical details. Gold is most likely going to pull back up to the previous low, which was yesterday's low as well. It's going to retest it and continue further down. On US 30, you know, the position is still valid because it's under the pivot, but I locked it down because we're gonna go out for a family dinner, so I don't want to leave anything. That's deleted. Your USD is still good for sell. Yes, your USD is beautiful, still running in profit. And did we have anything else? Nothing else, right? Oh, USD Japanese yen. Yeah, still good.
Was a buy, right?
Yes, I'm gonna buy for USD Japanese yen. But ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna say goodbye now. We're gonna head out for an early lunch, to eat some food. How was your day today, this morning and afternoon? Morning was better, wasn't it?
Yeah. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Guys, see
What is it,
you...
pancakes?
No, we're going to have some steaks and fish and everything. But while you're here, let's quickly have on the economic calendar, because I'm planning to take a day off tomorrow. I know, I'm so busy with the house. Sorry?
I said another day off.
Yeah, you know, if you work for your own, then you can afford to take another day off.
He makes too much profit.
I wish. Tomorrow, initial jobless claims. Because the electricity company is coming to give us some electricity tomorrow, so I have to be at the house. So tomorrow I'm gonna take day off. We're going to have the morning briefing only for members, but for live streaming, I'm not sure. But anyway, for members, thank you so much, and
Yes.
see you tomorrow morning.
Good luck.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Michelle, where the hell were you?
Enjoy. Take care.
Always here.
See you. Bye bye. All right. And now it's just you and me. Let's see what's happening in the YouTube chat. Quiz Pereira, always lurking. Yes, guys, you can join for the discounted membership. Ask K Patel who negotiated this for you, but I'm going to close down the discounted joining now, and I hope you enjoyed the stream today. It wasn't as eventful as the morning was when we cashed that nice 800 pip drop on gold, or 200 pip. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much, guys, and see you tomorrow or the day after. Either way, one day we will meet again. Thank you so much. This is the Alpha FX.
Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
I'll be on with this, guys.